I'm glad we caught the two tails, but I wish we didn't have to seal it. I mean, come on, give me a break. It takes way too much time and my shoulders get stiff. Right, Kakuzu? You think so too, right? Hey, are you listening to me? Say something, would ya?
Hidan, am I wrong, or have you really not noticed we're being followed?
Followed? Yeah, they're back there. The stench of weakness just pours off them.
So you hadn't noticed. You're a fool.
I'm a what?
They probably want to retake the two tails. I suppose we'll have to fight them. Hidan, what will you do?
Me? I'll pass this time.
That's unusual. I thought you'd wade right in.
Nah, I just don't feel like it. Besides, I don't see any sacrifices that would please Lord Jashin and that bunch.
In that case, take the two tails and get to the hideout.
Well, check you out. You're just raring to go.
There might be a bounty hidden among them.
I wouldn't count on it. Oh well, knock yourself out.
Let's get this over with so I can get paid.
Mission start.
I haven't earned much money this trip. If all goes well, I'll be able to squeeze a profit out of this lot. You've got guts coming after us.
Shut up. Return Lady Yugito.
Sure, we'll give her back. Once we've gotten the tailed beast out of her. Of course, at that point she'll be dead.
Why you?
I don't think there's a bounty among you. You're too weak.
Shut up! Our main force will be here soon. When they get here, they'll end you. Don't think you can take on the village hidden in the clouds and get away with it.
I hope your friends bring their wallets.
Why you? He's mocking us!
Now then, should I pin my hopes on this next group? You're very stubborn in your pursuit. I'm impressed. The least I can do is reciprocate. I haven't been on a real rampage in a long time. I'd like to fight someone with a little more backbone.
Take that! You're through!
This guy, isn't he afraid?
Take that! You're through!
Cloud is riding on this. We can't lose.
Take that! You're through.
I'm sick of fighting weaklings. I don't want anyone who isn't worth money.
Show you what we've got.
Know the true terror of the cloud! Give back Lady Yugito. Oh, you're rather skilled. Even so, you don't seem to be the bounty I was hoping for.
I'm style, fearing my grave.
I'd expect no less from the Cloud. If they've sent out this many ninja, there must be a high-paying bounty among them.
Don't think you can fight us and go home alive!
This is how I end this. Run in fear! Drop dead!
I'm sick of fighting weaklings.
Drop dead! Drop dead!
The honor of the Cloud is riding on this. We can't lose.
Drop dead! Drop dead! Get down!
I'm sick of fighting weaklings. I'm surprised you can face me without fear. You're brave, but that's only because you're too stupid to know better. I don't want anyone who isn't worth money.
No! Why? Take that! You're through!
The honor of the Cloud is riding on this. We can't lose.
Wind style! Hyper damage! Searing my grave!
The Akatsuki will pay for this. Don't underestimate my power! This guy, he's a real monster.
You're through. Take that! Burn it! Take that! You're through.
I'm sick of fighting weaklings. We're getting close to the end. I'd hoped there'd be at least one high-paying bounty among them, but I seem to have wasted my time.
Mission complete.
Oh, hey, you're back.
Well done.
I barely made a profit. That was a complete waste of energy.
That's what you get for only thinking about money. I told you.
Hidan, would you like me to kill you?
What? You want to go at it?
Stop it, you two. We're about to start the sealing ritual.
Someday, I'll settle my score with you.
That's my line, but I mean it.
Never mind that. Just take your places. We're starting. We are about to seal the two tails.